Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the comparison operators. Okay. The another name of comparison operators also relational operators. Okay. Comparison operators means in that name is indicates what comparison. Okay. The given conditions are true or false. Is it correct or wrong? Okay. The name is indicates the comparison between the given conditions. Okay. Which type of operators are in this comparison operators? We will see it first. The first operator is the equal symbol. Okay, this is the value equality symbol. Regularly, is equal symbol we are using. That is equal symbol is the assigning operator in the Python. Okay, for when we are indicating for same. Okay, if suppose two values are same, that same purpose we are indicating this symbol equal to symbol. Okay, equal to symbol we are indicating for value equality. Okay, the next symbol is not is equal to exclamation point and is equal to symbol. Okay, this indicates the given values are not same. Okay, the given values are not same. For this purpose this symbol is using. Next is the greater than symbol. Greater than symbol indicates the name is indicates greater. Greater means what? Big value. Okay. Greater means big value. That's why for greater than symbol, suppose two values are given. Okay. In the two values, one value is bigger. For that purpose, we are using greater than symbol. Next, less than symbol. This less than symbol is indicates also same. Less, suppose two values are less. Okay, for the indication of less symbol we are using less than symbol. Next one is the greater than or is equal to. Okay, na greater than. Okay, suppose if two values are given, so yeah, here purely greater, here purely less, either greater or less. Here pure completely greater, here pure completely less, but here either greater than or equal. Okay, either greater than, suppose two values are given, in that two values either greater than or equal. Okay, that's why we will see the practical examples next. Less than or is equal to same, this is also same. This is either less or equal, either less or equal. These symbols, these all six symbols we are calling as comparison operators. Okay, these are also called relational operators. Okay, see, once we'll see one slide. See here, this slide is indicates. Okay, this slide is indicates, see, these are the comparison operators. This is the equality symbol. Okay, this is the equality symbol. See, these are the values for equal symbol. Suppose here 3 is an integer and 3.0 is an float value, but data types are different, but the value is the same. This is also 3 and this is also 3. That's why it's given true value. Inequality symbol or not equal to symbol, whatever may be. Here 3 is not is equal to 4. Okay, 3 is not is equal to 4. Both are not same, right? That's why not is equal to, it's a true value. The output will print boolean values. Okay, here the output will print boolean values. This is also strictly less than symbol. This is the strictly less than symbol, means here given 2 is less than 3. Is it true? Okay, 2 is less than 3. Yes, it's true. Okay, why? Because when comparing to 3, 2 is the less value. That's why 2 is less than 3. True value. Next, this is strictly greater than. Strictly greater than means complete greater than. That's why 5 is greater 2. Okay, 5 is greater than 2. It's a true value. Next, less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means here 2 and 2 both are same. That's why either, yeah, for here in both symbols one will applicable. Here less than or equal to. That's why it's true. This is also same. Greater than or equal to. Here 3 is greater than or is equal to 2. Here 3 is greater when comparing to 2. Okay. That's why it's a true value. These are the simply comparison operators. Okay, these are the operators, friends. I hope you understand the what are the operators. Total 6 operators are there. One is equality, second one is not equal, third one is less than, fourth one is greater than, fifth one is less than or is equal to, sixth one is greater than or is equal to. These six symbols we are using for comparison operators. Okay, we will see one program. Okay, we will see one program with compare with all operators. Suppose here I am taking a is equal to, okay, a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 8. Okay, a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 8. See, these are, by using these two variables I will print all the operators. See, first print a is equal to b, a is equal to b. Next print a not is equal to b. Next print a is greater than b. Print a is less than b. Next print a is greater than or is equal to b. Next print a is less than or is equal to b. See, now we will see the output. Let's run the code. See here, friends, what is the first value? Okay, here the first value is the print a is equal to b. Okay, print a is equal to b. Is it true? No. Why? Because 7 is 7 and 8 both are equal. No. Okay, 7 and 8 both are equal. No, that's why here the first value false came. Okay, here the first value false came. Next, a not is equal to b. 7 and 8 both are equal. No. Okay, not equal, that's why it's true. Okay, that's why it's true. Next, a is greater than b. A is greater than b means 7 is greater than 8. Okay, 7 is greater than 8. See here, we will check with the values also. A is equal to 8, false value. Okay, 7 not is equal to 8, true value. Okay, here also 7 is greater than 8. Okay, is it true 7 is greater when comparing to 8? No, that's why it's false. Okay, see here. Okay, 7 is less than 8. Yes, 7 is less when comparing to 8, that's why it's true. Okay, next, 7 is greater than or is equal to 8. Okay, greater than or is equal to 8, is it true? No, it's false. Why? Because 7 is greater when comparing to 8. No, that's why it's false. Next, 7 is less than or is equal to 8. It's true, 7 is less when comparing to 8. Not here equality is also not applicable, that's why 7 is less than or is equal to 8. See here, the first value is false. Here also the first value is false. Next, the second value is true. Okay, the second value is true. Here also second value is true. And the third value, okay, a is greater than b, third value is false. Here also third value a is greater than b is also false. A is less than b is true. Okay, here a is less than b is true. A is greater than or is equal to b is false. A is greater than or b is false, as well as finally a is less than or is equal to b, it's true. Here also a is less than or is equal to b. Simply, these are the comparison operators, friends. I hope you understand this video. This is very simple concept. In next video, we will see some few problems on comparison operators. Okay. I hope you understand this video. If you understand, please like my video and subscribe my channel. If any issues are there, please post in the comment. I will rectify my mistakes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, friends.